Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm here to show you how to use WhatsApp on multiple devices with the same number. Whether it's setting it up on a second Android phone, accessing it on a laptop or Mac, or logging out securely, I've got you covered. Let's get started. But before we dive into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and make sure to click the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Now, let's jump right in. First up, let's link WhatsApp to a second Android phone. On your primary phone, open WhatsApp, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select Link Devices. Now, grab your second Android phone. Download and open WhatsApp, select your preferred language, and tap Agree and Continue. Instead of entering your phone number, tap the three-dot menu in the top right and choose Link as Companion Device. A QR code will appear. Using your primary phone, tap Link a Device on the Link Devices screen and scan the QR code. Just like that, your chats will load on the second device. Now WhatsApp is active on both phones. Now let's connect WhatsApp to your laptop or Mac. You've got two options. Open a browser and head to web.whatsapp.com or download the official app from WhatsApp's website for a smoother experience. On your primary phone, go to Link Devices, tap Link a Device, and scan the QR code in your browser or app. Within moments, your chats will appear, ready for use on your computer. To log out from your laptop or Mac, stay on the Link Devices screen on your primary phone. Tap on the listed device, then hit Log Out. This instantly disconnects WhatsApp, ensuring your account's security. For logging out from the second Android phone, follow the same process. On your primary phone, find the second device in the Link Devices list, tap it, and hit Log Out. Once done, WhatsApp will close on the second phone. If you try reopening it, you'll see the message, "You have been logged out." Simple and secure. And that's it. You now know how to use WhatsApp on multiple devices and log out safely when needed. If you're looking to completely transfer your WhatsApp chats locally from one Android phone to another, be sure to check out our detailed video uploaded on the channel for a step-by-step guide. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more handy tech tips. And make sure to click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care.